Hello, my name is Lily. I am a member of the team SaveWalletCoupons.com to get the course called Affiliate Marketing Passive Income Without Paid Ads. All you have to do is to visit our site, SaveWalletCoupons.com, and here you will find an article called Affiliate Marketing Passive Income Without Paid Ads. Udemy coupon. Inside the article you will find 2 red links. Just click one of them and access the course. Let me show you. Don't worry, you will find the link to the article and to the course in description. Let me tell you the description of the course called Affiliate Marketing Passive Income Without Paid Ads. I'm going to teach you how to cut straight through the noise and do what you need to be successful with affiliate marketing. During the course you will learn create an affiliate marketing business that will serve you an income for years. How to invest your time, not your money, to grow a business online. The ins and outs of choosing the affiliate marketing niches needed. How to find and get accepted to the millions of available affiliate programs. Building a website to host the content you need to send traffic to your referrals. No more endless searching. This course is ready to go. You can take it anywhere and watch it at your convenience in the privacy of your home or on the go. What kind of results can you expect? I prefer to underpromise and overdeliver. But what I can tell you is if you follow the simple steps within this course to get started, and then you spend 30-60 minutes to an hour a day just repeating them, you will be able on your way to building your own passive income business. Once you learn the skills you can simply practice, research and get better so that the outcomes are indeed limitless. It changed my life. I started affiliate marketing when I was down and out reeling from a large business loss. I spent countless hours researching, learning through trial and error, but now I have a business which pays me every month regardless of whether I work or not. It's hard to put a price on the level happiness this financial independence has brought me. I will review this course Affiliate Marketing Passive Income Without Paid Ads with 4 wallets from a max of 5. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I wish you a great day.